Alright, so I've got a working setup again. Okay, I've got a 555 timer with an IRFP 450 MOSFET in there. It's being fed by this 12 volt battery. It goes into this ignition coil here. That ignition coil is connected in series with this ignition coil. The outputs from the two go into this diode bridge. So you can see that red one there goes into the one end. This one comes out, goes into the other end. I've got extra diodes here on the top and the bottom to actually protect this diode bridge, to protect this circuit. I've had these actually short out from the power released. Okay, positive comes out to the center rod, as you can see there. I've got the copper grid not connected at all. Let's get the focus going here. Okay, it's not connected at all to the blue. Okay, the copper grid is connected to the blue. That's my ground. That comes back here to ground. Okay, now what I've got over here is a 12 volt power supply, inverter, another diode bridge, 9 kilovolt diodes by the way, microwave diodes. They charge up this capacitor to about 240 volts. Okay, the positive of the capacitor, I'm not touching anything here because all of this is live. Okay, the positive of the capacitor is that brown wire, which comes down to this junction here. Okay, you can see another 9 kilovolt diode there. Okay, see the positive, or the cathode of it basically, is coming out through this wire to the other rod that's there. Okay, and then the ground from the capacitor going back to common ground. Okay, so high voltage comes out, seeks ground through this rod you can see here in the foreground. This diode says no, so the voltage then jumps from here through the arc created all the way down to ground. So I'm just, by the way, just on a safety note, I did get shocked here because there was a bad connection, so the ground actually grounded through me, so I'm using a insulated screwdriver right now. So make sure you're safe if you try this. So check it out. Capacitor takes little time to charge up, so I just give it a little breather. Okay, I'm now going to switch off the inverter. So you'll see there's my power light. It's off. Okay, so it's just discharge the old capacitor here. Okay, and you'll see nothing else happens. Just looks for ground. There you go. Just a normal old high voltage spark. Now I'll switch on the inverter again. There we go. Okay, charging this capacitor. And boom. I'm actually going to use a smaller capacitor instead of this one. It's going to be one of these guys here. But there you have it.